Hi everybody, today's in these videos I will show you how to define the stock in the HuiMai multi-axis simulation software. There are three ways in this software for setting the stock. Click here, stock settings. As we see, there are three options to define the stock. The first is we can define rectangle stock. We can use these four options to define the operations parameters for the stock. And this color, we can define the stock color. And here's zero offset. Actually, these positions we can define where the position we can put our stock. Also, we can use these options to define the fixture stock. Now, when we finish the stock definitions, we can click the Save. As we see, we can see there is the rectangle stock here. The second, we can define a cylindrical stock size stock. Here, the D is the diameter of the cylinder. D1 means internal diameter of the stock, and the L means the height of the stock. It's the same for the zero offset. If we put the 50 millimeter here, let's see what happened. As we can see, the fixture 0 point not located at the center of the table. If we set in the AOX 0 and click the Save, actually the 0 point for the stock is the same with the table center. The third way for the stock settings we call the shaped stock definitions. Actually, we need to create a STL files. We can support this file format. Workpiece offset with settings is 0. Also, we need to load our part STL file. Also, we can load our fixtures files and save it. As we can see, now this is our shaped stock definition. For these ways, there is a key point in the CAD software. Look, this is our assembly files. Before we export the STL files, we should create a coordinator system before we do the export operations. Okay, thanks for your watching.